In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use cars in LEGO Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you basic instructions on how to build a car that is drivable. It is extremely simple and you will be able to customize it to your own liking. So first, go into the toys category and you will be able to find various items related to this. So first, I like to start with a dynamic foundation. This is good because you will be able to attach the wheels to this foundation and it should move around without any issues. There might be other types of platforms that allow you to do this, but this is my recommendation. Now, instead of using these simple wheels, we want to be able to turn, so we need to be able to drive the car around. To do this, go over to controls, and the first thing that we're looking for are powered wheels. You will need 2 powered wheels on the back and 2 steerable wheels on the front. It's important that you do this and you don't use 4 steerable or 4 powered wheels because otherwise it isn't going to function properly. So choose the back of the car, whichever option you prefer, and then place 2 powered wheels on the back. Once this is done, make sure that you select steerable wheels and you place them on the opposite end, which would be the front in this case. So I'm going to try to line them up here. Okay, once they are all placed, well, I didn't line them up properly, but that's okay. All that you have to do now is get the driver's seat. So choose whichever driver's seat you prefer and place it on the front of your vehicle. Now, once you have it placed, you are basically ready to go. This is as basic as it gets. So as you can see, if I try to press W, I'm just going to be spinning in circles. This is because we have to set up the wheels. So you will be able to hover over them to see the current direction. Make sure that one side is purple. So this entire side should be purple, as many wheels as you have, and this entire one should be blue. Just make sure that you are going in the right direction. And now it should be working. So as you can see, by holding W or pushing my joystick forward, I'll be able to move forward, and then A and D or left and right on the joystick allows me to steer because of those steerable wheels that we placed on the front and not on the entirety of the car. So it is extremely simple. Now, of course, this is extremely basic. You are able to make higher quality, bigger vehicles and more resistant ones. As you can see, a simple flip and I'm completely down. So getting back up can be quite annoying. So this is what I recommend that you do if you just want to build a very simple first vehicle. Like I said, you can expand on this idea, so you can place, for example, a large dynamic foundation down, get a driver's seat over here, and just do the exact same thing. So 2 powered wheels on the back, you can even try multiple if you have the space, and then 2 steerable wheels on the front. You can use thrusters and then switches if you wish, because you could have a boost button if you wish, for example. That would be a nice idea. But regardless, this is how you make cars in LEGO Fortnite and how to get them working properly. Just sit on the driver's wheel and you should be able to control it around as long as the steerable wheels are close to the driver's seat. I hope I was able to help you on how to use cars in LEGO Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.